This is the small excavator model R32-PRO from our RIPA group. Its actual weight is 3,171 kilograms, and we use a Kubota engine with the model V1505. This excavator has the following performance characteristics: a single forging cylinder that is not easy to break, with a built-in yoke seal. Thicker, high-quality steel is used, and a plastic molding process is applied to prevent rust and corrosion. The use of internationally renowned brand reducers ensures smooth operation and high reliability. The 360-degree body rotates freely, and the smart body facilitates outdoor work. We welcome your inquiries and look forward to serving your needs.